So if you're putting Thin-X lights on your Super Duty, this one happens to be a King Ranch. It has this type of grill. If your grill is similar to this, you can take the Thin-X light, and it just happens to fit perfectly in the spacing here between these uprights. It works in this location and this location. It's a little too tight up here. But you drill a tiny 16th inch hole in each upright, as you can see here, like that, and you're able to mount the light right in the grill. And I'll flip it around and show you what it looks like from the back. You can see there, the screws come right through that double plastic, the included screws with the light, and the gasket gives you a nice compression on the screw, keeps it nice and tight. So that's what you're going to end up with. And if you were to ever take the lights off the vehicle, these tiny little holes here, they basically disappear. You really cannot tell there was a light on this grill. You could even fill that hole in with a little plastic filler and get rid of it. So there's an option for you to put some Thin-X in the front grill. If your grill happens to look like this one, you can mount those Thin-X real easily.